Here we are waiting for Shannon to do pee-pees. She doesn't really remember that it's Christmas morning. We had to wake her up. She's only 2. See, actually got up first. Move there. That's it. Just come over here. Still waiting.
I see a really long pee.
Look, Santa's here. What's all this stuff?
The plants.
Did he lift us presents?
So what?
Did he eat the cookies?
Hmm.
What is this? Oh. They ate the carrots.
You're allowed.
Dear Shannon, it says, look. Thank you for the cookies and carrots for the reindeer. You were a very good girl this year. Merry Christmas. Love, Santa. Oh my goodness, are you gonna open these presents? Wow. What the heck is that?
Coffee.
What do you do with that thing? Oh my goodness, where are you gonna start?
Do you want to bow first?
A ball first.
A ball first? First things first, Mom. Let's get serious here.
Alright. Come here, little girl. Come here, give mommy a kiss. Come here. Mwah. Merry Christmas.